Oh, it doesn't do it. Puppy dogs. Okay, you guys, that cool video is this amazing thing. I literally just put a new battery in this thing, and I finally fixed the headlights. It was such a big problem. Plus, it comes with a cigarette lighter, so I can plug in that thing, an outlet, to this thing. Oh wow, I actually forgot that was on there. Anyway, hooked up the headlights. Hope the exhaust doesn't burn it like always. And yeah, new battery, and you're very good. And yeah, okay. Look at the lights; they work so good. Anyway, bye guys.